Alright, here we are. We're going to start our video. I'm going to be adjusting the audio as the group plays. Alright, I think we started over because not everybody was ready. There you can kind of hear, sounds like somebody started on the wrong pitch. I think that's... So let's just hold out E flat. Yeah, see, there we go. It sounded like somebody was starting on the wrong pitch, and so I wanted to make sure everybody was playing that E flat before we continued on with the scale there. Yeah. It's funny. It's something my conducting is. My up and down is small, and then my left and right is huge. Look, there we go. Big left and right, small up and down. See, something I didn't like about this was how much time this took. You know, we're almost at the 2-minute mark and we're still warming up. Right now, it sounds like we're getting a lot of flute and not enough horn and trumpet sound. So let's do it again, but this is half notes. There we go. I gave some feedback to the musicians. And this time we're doing the warm-up, getting a half notes. It sounds like everybody this time did start on the D flat. And in this one, through the flute and the trumpet were both more present than they were the first time. Okay, that sounds better. I can just barely hear you. So maybe just play with a little bit more air. Okay. Let's switch the exercise over, and now we're going to focus on accenting notes really quick. See, something that I wrote in my written reflection was that I felt like we spent too much time working on the warm-up. And I am still continuing the warm-up, and we're at the 3-minute mark already. Really listen and make sure that we're matching length across the room. Let's go ahead and do it again. I really like how the musicians are able to apply my feedback right away. I think they're just doing a great job overall listening and just following the instructions that I'm giving. Tempo change is not going to be speed up. It's just going to go right into double time. Let's start at 196. See, right there, I kind of just ran around for a little bit. I kind of didn't think about what I was going to say, and so towards the end of that phrase, I just kept on going. Can I hear everybody except for flute 1 and trumpet 1 at the beginning at measure 96? There, I'm trying to isolate the part, micro. Everybody that has the 16th note at measure 97, can we just hear you really quick? Measure beat 2.
There,
And I'm gonna give you each.
up to me, it sounded like somebody was playing wrong notes in the 16th note grouping. 16th note grouping. So I wanted to isolate each note one by one. There and make sure we were all playing that all the correct notes. Especially since we're all on secondary instruments, so I know that we may not all know the phrases. There we go. There, now we put it into context there for the phrase. And now we're putting it into context with everybody.
Can we hear just flute 1 and trumpet 1 right there? At measure 96, sorry.
I accidentally moved the video a little bit. Let me find where I was.
B2. And I'm going to give you each.
Let's see, where was I?
Can we hear just flute 1 and trumpet 1 right there?
Here we go, this is where we were.
At measure 96, sorry.
So something I was hearing was that Will wasn't able to get some of the pitches there. There you go. And so some of the things that I wanted to work on here, since there were the only two people playing that part, was, first of all, just a balance, bringing that out there.
So I'll give you 2.
And then I give them some feedback there. And then they're able to apply it.
Measure 97.
And this is the frustration I wrote about in my written reflection. Just to me, I'm being clear to the group, but I guess to the group I'm not being clear enough, because they didn't come in when and where I told them. Right here, I'm rehearsing Will and Jesse. Bo, he's playing flute 1, I believe. He's playing the other flute part, and so it's just Will right there. I see that Bo is trying to give Will some tips on fingerings or how to play the correct notes, and so I let Bo take charge of that right there. I want to involve everybody else in the group too, so everybody's not just sitting around. And then we got the right pitches there, right now. Yeah.
So everybody that's not flute 1 or trumpet 1. And let's start at measure 98 right there.
Sorry.
So at measure 98, before the people that have the da, 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 we're all articulating it differently, and we're all playing it that 16th note at different times. So can we just hear measure 98? Everybody that plays the da, Dun, dun. Flute 2. Oh, measure 98. At the start of measure 98. Okay. I get flute 2, horn, and trombone. Measure 98. So let's have everybody back in at measure 98.
So after taking a few things apart, I'm trying to put everything back into context there.
Different parts right here. And the people that are playing, people that have quarter notes at measure 99, they're getting covered up by people who have half notes and then quarter notes. So can we just hear people that have just
So
quarter
right
notes?
here, I'm not even making eye contact with the group as I tell them what I want to fix, what I want to do. So, I mean, so something that I struggle with personally is just being in front of a group and having stage fright. So when talking to the group, just being in front of the group is just nerve-wracking, and then just talking to them up there and telling them, hey, you're doing this wrong, it's just kind of a challenge for me. So I just look down. But I mean, even though I am nervous, I look comfortable up there. I look comfortable. At the beginning, I felt a little uncomfortable, but as the video went on, I started getting a little confident, and I was like, okay, they're gonna listen to me, they're gonna do what I'm telling them.
Can we bring down everybody else who has the half note fold?
So here, once again, we're doing the under the hood approach. We're going under the whole context, and we're just trying to isolate stuff, trying to make the balance, make the accompaniment be under the melody there. And that's the end of my video. Thank you so much.